Ooh. Oh, is this gonna make me cry, like, to the moon? I swear, if this one makes me cry, I'm gonna be done. Well, while I wait for this to load, hey everybody, it's Chibs again. So, I'm still playing Undertale, but, unfortunately, I got a little bored with it. I know it's supposedly amazing, and I know I have to get through it more, but unfortunately, I do this thing with games where if I'm bored of them, I can't force myself to play them. At least not right now. I'll probably get back to it at some point, which, I mean, I have episode 2 of it, completed. I just actually have to edit the video. But until then, I was like, I'm going to try something else because I really just don't feel like playing Undertale right now. So I decided to go with A Bird Story because it's by the same people who did To the Moon, which, by the way, made me cry. Made me cry like a baby because I'm obsessed with the song Everything's Alright. I was obsessed with it before the game came out. Not before it came out. Blech. Correction. I was obsessed with it before I even played the game. And then I played the game and insert sobbing here. So I'm going to try this game and see how this goes. And I have no clue what it's about or what I'm doing. Okay, so keys, escape, enter. Okay, so this should be easy enough. When the music's so pretty. Great, another game with pretty music that I'm gonna hate myself over. Oh, okay. That's not me moving him. What? I don't recommend crawling the bush. I don't. Is it a little boy or is it just a man-child? I can't tell from the sprite. Okay, so paper airplane and then fading out plant. Wow, it's a colorful bedspread. Holy crap. Okay, flip the book. Oh, he's in Jimmy's now. Hence the clothes over here, I'm assuming. It doesn't even look like he shut off his lamp with all the light in there. I'm assuming it's from the moon, but that's a lot of moonlight. Or it could be lights from the city. I'm really not positive. Okay, this definitely gives me a To the Moon feel. Granted, it's probably done with the same program, and obviously it's the same people, but hey, what do I know? So, okay. I think I was told that this game was one of those ones you could play in a short amount of time, but I'm not positive as of yet. I thought I read that somewhere, but this has been sitting in my Steam library for months now, I think since at least December, so I'm not quite sure. Oh, ooh, this is... Okay. Oh, I don't... Okay, I can't move to the right. I can only move left, up, or down. And when I try moving to the right, it does that. I'm really confused. Please don't make me control the airplane. That's not gonna go well. Okay, good. It's not. Okay, I still can't move forward. I can only go backwards. Oh. Okay. I have no clue what's going on right now. I probably should have read the summary before I did this. Crap. Ooh, I don't miss school. No. I've been out of college for 4 years. 4 years. No, thank you. Or 3. 3, I think. Whatever. Anyway. Am I... Hey, can I cheat off your test? Psst. What's the answer to letter B? Is he daydreaming or is he seeing this outside? Uh-oh. Ooh. God. Oh, nice kid. You're a douchebag. She's drawing a cat? 1764? Or 764? I can't tell if that's a 1 or a T. But either way, that equals cat, apparently. Ooh. No. No. It wasn't his fault. I didn't do it. It wasn't me. Oh, you mother... Wow, you're a douchebag. And you're still pointing, apparently. What the hell? Oh, she's probably telling me not to move. So I'm supposed to stand there awkwardly. For the next... however long. Okay, they're gonna mock me. Is this gonna be a thing where they stand and mock me? No, okay, apparently not. Dot, dot, dot. Oh, look! I can actually go in normal directions now. Can I touch anything? Can I touch anything? Nope. Okay. Alright, apparently I wasn't supposed to go that way. I have no freaking clue. Let's go this... Uh-oh. Yeah, you're a bitch. Walking... Why is there a tree in the building? Why are there several trees? Why do they have lockers underneath them? Are we a very eco-conscious school where we use trees for lockers? Ooh, I want to go down the slide. Can I go down the slide? No. Damn. It completely bypasses it. That's bullshit. Oh, look. There I am. Am I supposed to go on this? And sit there awkwardly by myself because no one loves me? Was I an unloved child? Okay. Oh. Should I be walking? Oh, no, because they come right back. Seriously. Oh, now there I am. One step ahead. Hey, look, I'm walking again. Seriously? What am I doing? Can I go up there? Is there anything fun up there? Nope, not really. I'm trying to not be that person that examines every little detail in a game because normally that's a huge problem with me. Well, hey, let's try and go in the building. Can we go in the building? Oh, is this my apartment? Okay. Hello, creeper in the elevator. Don't touch me. Apparently he cruises. Ooh. I was gonna say, don't follow me either. Is that? No. No. What the hell? What is... Oh, okay, rats. Nope. Again, have I mentioned, guys, I don't like scary things? Or, well, I do, but not to play them? How about we go inside before the lights all turn off on us or the rats get in? I can't tell if that was supposed to be ominous or if this is just a really shitty apartment building. Well, at least the music's not creeping me out. Oh, look, there's no in the fridge. Go read it. What does it say? Of course I can't read it. I'm blind, apparently. Where's my glasses? Someone give me my glasses. Here, let's turn on the... Okay, apparently I can't line up with the radio to turn on. But I can line up with the fridge. Oh, okay, I remember that from, To the Moon. Open the closet. We'll leave the lights on. Why are you poking out like a creeper? They're not home. I'm gonna bounce on their bed. Okay, that was kind of cute. Not what I thought was gonna happen, but it was kind of cute. Hey, you should go use the toilet. Take a bath. Oh, wait, you're not gonna go jump in the tub? His bed doesn't look as colorful this time, but maybe it's because he's now dreaming? That looked like a bowl of, like, oatmeal. Here, let's... Can we go out here? Cool, we can. Oh, apparently I'm not gonna go eat. Apparently I'm gonna do this. Is anything gonna go by if I stand here long enough? Or is it just like a scenery place thingy? Because I don't have words. Okay, apparently I get stuck. Well, I probably should go eat something, because I'm clearly a 10-year-old who's going to starve if not. What am I going to eat? Pizza? Macaroni and cheese? An apple? Can I even cook? Do you know how to cook? Oh, that's a TV there. I'm stupid, because I thought that was a couch earlier. Yep. I'm definitely dumb. Oh, the music's fading. That's always a good sign. Okay. Reading. I was saying it's 7 o'clock? 7 o'clock. Where are my parents? Mommy, come home. Feed me. I'm gonna laugh if your mother walks in while you're... I would have laughed if you hit her with the door. Hit her that when she walked in the door. Jesus, is it almost 11? Or no, it's past 11. Kid, go the fuck to bed. I don't think Mom's coming home at this point. And all I hear is my bunnies in the background because they're going crazy. Anyway. Yay for spring. Oh, you got... I'm guessing that was a blanket or it was a tree. Most likely a blanket. But, hey, you never know with these games. They could be trees just attacking you while you sleep. Oh god, you didn't get much sleep at all, did you, kid? What? Good aim. I mean, I use my cell phone as an alarm clock, but if I try throwing that across the room, that is gonna break. And now he has a cape. Oh, you should have kept it on. It would have been a cape. He looked really pleased with his blanket. Did you just leave it on your mother's bed and then be done with it? And what about the note on the door? How did you miss that when you went to the bathroom? I would have taken that off the door first before I went to go brush my teeth. What's the note say? Okay, apparently I cannot leave without my backpack, but I want to see the note. Well, not that I can actually see the note, because clearly I need glasses. What? Oh, good lord, kid. You're forgetting everything. That's not homework. Would you take your damn notebook? Are we done? Do we need anything else? Do you need your binky? Okay, apparently I'm supposed to go in the fridge. Is that a... I'm guessing it's a muffin, but I honestly thought it was a mushroom. Look, Mom, it's raining. Here's your umbrella. Yay, now I won't get wet. You're a dumb kid. Take the umbrella. You're stupid. And now we're suddenly right outside. Whoa! Does it, like, change periodically? And now we're back inside. What the f... You better not fuck with me, kid. I'll kill you. So I can't tell you you're a whore, apparently? No. Okay, cool. I swear, if this kid does that again, I'm gonna throw a rock at his head. We're gonna be playing rock, paper, scissors with just a rock hitting. Oh, you fell asleep, you turd. Now the kid's gonna do it again, and you're gonna get blamed. And look! It's raining! Which means you're gonna get soaked because you're dumb and you... Oh, teacher gonna be mad. Didn't bring your umbrella. Well, you're probably gonna have detention anyway. Maybe the rain will end by the time you're done detention. Did she just kick him? Oh, she kind of kicked him. Okay. Making my way downtown, walking fast, faces fast, and I'm homebound. Why are there trees in the school? I want to... Yeah, if you had brought an umbrella, kid, you wouldn't have had this problem. Oh, but... You don't even care. There's a puddle. Hope your mom gets pissed at you for getting soaked. Hope you get a cold. I just like making him do that jump because it makes a weird phew noise. No, don't hug the tree. There's thunder. There might be lightning. You might get barbecued. Now that's a mushroom. Okay, because trees just move like that every day. Definitely. That's not creepy at all. But is that a badger? Chasing a bird? Yes, please. I hope that thing has rabies and then it bites you. Because the bird would totally just sit there and be like, oh, thank you for saving me, mister. I'm going to be your best friend now. What is this, Winnie the Pooh? What kind of bird is that? Ooh, the music's pretty at least. Okay. Are we gonna be Biffles now? Are you gonna be my parrot? Can you sit on my shoulder? Probably want a fucking cracker? Okay, so apparently you take a step and it runs. Can I move close enough? Is it gonna go in the water if I do? Yes, leave the damn bird alone. Really? You're really not gonna go near it? Ugh, fine. Okay, you make me walk 5 feet before you take the controls again. Ugh. Oh my god. Great. Now what am I gonna do? Eat the badger? Was that a rock? What was that? It just crawled into it. Was that a jacket? Did it crawl on my jacket and now I'm taking it home with me? Oh, good lord. Oh, look. It's Kazooie. What are you, Banjo? Can you make me fly now because you're in my backpack? Again, because trees totally do that. Okay. So you don't want me going back up there. What the fuck? This is trippy. Animal hospital? Here, you want to check out Kazooie for me? No? Okay. Well, fuck you too. I'm gonna steal your mail. I swear to God, the trees better not move again. Can I go up here? Apparently I get stuck on grass. Because that's how games work. You get stuck on grass. Good to know. So, next time I go outside... Sorry, I can't go to work. There's grass. Let's go to my apartment. We're taking Kazooie with us. Oh, look. So, Kazooie, you better keep your damn mouth shut. What am I supposed to do? Sneak... Kazooie, keep the fuck in the bag! No! That scared the shit out of me. Okay, so I guess we're... Really? You couldn't hit the button yourself, you had to wait for me, and now you're gonna be a creeper? I swear, sir, it's my stomach. I'm having digestive problems. Please don't touch me. Oh, good, you move away. That's cool. Kazooie, shut the fuck up. You're gonna get us in trouble. Oh. Yeah, just sit there whistling, because that's normal when you're waiting outside of their apartment. Cool. You clearly think things through, kid. You know, your mother's gonna shit a brick when she sees you walk in with a damn bird. Because that's not, you know, obvious at all that you're clearly trying to hide something. Nope. Not at all. What, do I have to go in the bathroom? Do I have to go potty? Okay. Really? Really? Did I just fix my hair? Because I'm not concerned over my damn hair. What's this note say? Sorry, son. I'm fucking the neighbor. I won't be home tonight. Seriously, are we ever gonna see another person in this game, like, that looks like a person on a shadow, other than myself? No? No? Okay, that's cool too. Psst, Kazooie, get out of the bag. Don't shit on my floor. So what, now I have a new pet? I don't know what I'm supposed to do about the bird. I don't know what I'm supposed to do in general now. Apparently go to the bathroom, according to that little green arrow. Okay. I didn't even realize I was filling that up with water. I was just gonna go to the sink and hopefully shove my face in it. Was there just a bowl just chilling on the floor? And I was like, hey, look, bird, you thirsty? Hey. Hey, girl, hey. That looked like a picture of bread. I'm hiding in the door. You can't see me. So now he has a new pet. That's gonna go well when you get kicked out of your apartment. What am I supposed to do now? Mom! Oh, now it's actually... Oh, so he was saying I need to get him bread, not I need to get him water. Oh, look, I look so accomplished. Look at my happy face. Look at the happy face. I'm so happy I have bread. Nope. He left. He jumped. He said, fuck this shit, I'm out. Oh. The bird's in the tree. He's like, wait a minute. Kazooie, that's adorable. Oh boy. Well, now that the bird's in the tree, this is going to be a short video, so I'm ending this for the night. So, yeah, I'm gonna make sure I save this. Oh, hey, I'm already a good way through it. Do I not have to save it? Alright, well, anyway, I'm ending it on that note for the night. Hopefully I'll be getting back to Undertale. Hopefully I'll actually finish editing episode 2, which, oh, look, I recorded like a month ago, but I fail. Yeah, so have a great night. Bye, guys.